You've read it right. Jeffree Star Cosmetics is now in the Philippines. Hindi to clickbait. He's here. Am I excited? Okay, to be completely honest, I'm not a big fan of Jeffree Star. If you're watching this, I'm sorry, but hear me out. Hindi kasi ako talagang like, if he releases something new, I'm not the type that's gonna, like, I need to get this. Parang, I'm okay. So the excitement is more of, I am now finally going to try Jeffree Star Cosmetics because this is my first time trying out his products. And I'm excited kasi itong products na to, ito pa yung flagship niya. So, I have this collection. As what I've said, this is the flagship product of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Ito yung kanilang Velour liquid lipstick. However, I have the mini bundle. Don't mind the messy box. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari dyan. But I do have the... Ta-da! I have the pink and red bundle. It feels surreal. Alam mo yung holding a bundle of Jeffree Star Cosmetics just because they're here. Our beauty community is getting bigger, and that's a good thing. And so right now, I'm excited. It looks good already. Ito na parang okay. I love my reds. I'm that kind of girl. And ang maganda dito, we have 8 shades consisting of 2 nude shades or pinkish shades or warm kind of muted down pink shades. We have 3 vibrant shades right here and 3 red shades of different tones. I'm going to swatch them first. I'm not going to review them or give you the in-depth review yet because gagawin ko siya sa isang video. Ngayon kasi after this video, I have to do something so hindi ko kayo masasama yung talaga thoroughly review. But nabulol ako doon. Thoroughly review. But I'm going to share with you kung anong itsura niya sa labi. So without further ado, let's swatch all of them. First on the list, doll parts. It says here, it's a creamy hot pink. So may pagka-muted down siya, pero at the same time, merong hint of that hot pinkness, parang pang Barbie doll talaga. And so maybe that's why doll parts siya. And I have to agree because compared sa kung anong nasa container and kung ano yung nasa labi ko na ngayon, may difference siya. I mean, it's common na nag-oxidize yung product, but this one appears brighter than what's inside. It's kind of muted down, pero hindi siya matingkad eh. How would I explain this? It's really pinkish. Okay siya sa shade ko, even if I am very tan at the moment. It's not something that really pops out very awkwardly sa registro, sa mirror, even in person, even on camera. It looks nice. I love it. Plus, the formula is surprising. This is very new to me. It's very fluid, pigmented, easy to apply. It just feels like it's too thin, pero it gives you good coverage kahit sa first application pa lang. It's too thin na mararamdaman mo talagang applicator on your lips. Sometimes when you apply any other liquid lipstick, lalo na pag creamy, you feel the product rather than the applicator lang. But this one, it's as if kung hindi ka nakatingin sa mirror at hindi mo nakikita yung sarili mo, it's as if na parang wala kang nalalagay. This is a pretty good first impression. I am liking it so far. But of course, we have to go to the next one. So, next! Calabasas. Calabasas is a warm rose shade which is perfect for any skin shade and skin tone because this really goes well with my tan skin. I am loving this shade. And feeling ko alam ko yung mga gusto ng Pinoy, yung gusto yung everyday lang, yung nude lang, yung parang natural lang. So this is it. This is something that you can wear sa office, sa school, and by school, college, or kapag pupunta kayo sa daytime date, nighttime date. This is an all-around shade. Wifey! It says here it's a deep brick red. I have to agree. However, based dito sa guide, it seems darker sa print compared in person. Unless siguro i-layer mo siya ng 5 layers and wait maybe for hours for it to oxidize, it's possible. But on first application, it's not as deep as this one. So I think it's best for you to swatch it on skin rather than just looking at the picture because nag-iiba-iba talaga sila. Again, you know me and my reds. I am obsessed. And this shade really goes well with my tan skin. Hindi siya umaangat, hindi siya like awkward type of red. It's also something that makes your skin pop out even more. It's so nice. It is so nice. And isang application pa lang to, isang layer pa lang to, and ito na yung color na binibigay niya. So it is really pigmented, and so far sobrang consistent din ng formula niya, and that's really, a relief. Parang, okay, good job Jeffree Star Cosmetics for being consistent pagdating sa formula. And so this is something that I would wear kahit everyday siya, kahit red siya. This is something na magbibigay ng authority, ng power, but it's not overly intimidating. Next, watermelon soda. Nandito na tayo sa side ng shades kung saan napaka-vibrant, as in bordering neon na. This is something na talagang magpa-pop out. This is, I was thinking na baka, okay, nasa corally shade siya, somewhat like a salmon pink, na siguro mas vibrant lang, but once applied on skin, it becomes even more vibrant. And this is something that you would wear maybe if you want attention. It smells really good. It smells like watermelon. It smells like bubble gum. Alam mo yung watermelon flavored bubble gum? I can smell this all day. It's really good. Kasi compared dun sa 3 shades na nauna, wala silang amoy. Binigyan nila ng special treatment tong watermelon soda. Next, Anna Nicole. Sabi sa guide, this is a vibrant red shade with orange undertones. And I have to say that this is more orange than red. Para siyang orange na, tapos ina-add na lang ng konting, nag-add na lang ng konting red for it to be more red, but there's more orange. Same with the watermelon soda. It's something that just pops out. It's very vivid, very vibrant. It's something that if you want a funky color on your lips, then this is it. Prom Night. The level of vibrancy goes higher and higher as I go through the shades. Ito yung pinaka-vibrant sa tatlo. This is like straight up, parang alam niyo yung kumuha kayo ng poster paint na ganito yung kulay, and then direkta nyo sa labi nyo, yun na yun. As in, neonish. Surprisingly, it's not off. It is indeed vibrant, but it's not totally off. If you compare like a color na opaque, by opaque meaning it's like under a white base. Alam niyo yung pag nag-color kayo sa white bond paper compared to when you apply, let's say, a color na walang underbase on skin, the colors or the shades come off differently. And maybe that is why hindi siya totally umaangat sa skin ko, especially na sobrang moreno ko. That's because yung formula niya, wala siyang parang white na underbase, and it's like translucent lipstick. You know what I mean? It's like gel, and then you apply it. It's just may coverage lang siya. That's why it comes off like this. So I'm liking it, even if it's too intense. And okay, let me read the description of Prom Night here. It says here it's an intense fuchsia. Yeah. Yep. Intense is the right word. Next shade, Redrum. You remember that scene sa The Shining? Yung sabi ng bata, Redrum, 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 Redrum. Ganun na siya ng ganun. If you're not familiar, you should watch The Shining. It's one of the best horror movies. Sobrang classic. That's probably a film from the 1980s. Pero it's an all-time favorite. So I just recently watched The Shining, and so I clearly remember Redrum. Redrum ay kabaliktaran ng murder. Doon sa scene ng The Shining, yung bata kasi may gift para nakakaramdam siya, tsaka may alter ego siya, may second person siya inside of him, or inside of his brain, na nagsasabi ng, ito yung mangyayari. And so for him to warn his mom, pumunta siya doon, tapos sinulat lang niya red rum doon sa pinto. And then ginising niya yung mom niya, tapos parang red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum. Ganun lang siya ng ganun. Tapos yung nanay parang, ano yung red rum? Anong sinasabi mo? Kasi, alam yun, kung may alter ego ka, bakit hindi mo pa madiretso? Parang kailangan may puzzle, may thrill effect. So, pagtingin niya doon sa salamin, oh my gosh, kinikilabutan ako. Pagtingin niya doon sa salamin, nag-reflect yung red rum. And so, it spells out murder. And so, parang doon na sila na parang, Redrum is a cool tone type of shade, which I agree, because it is indeed something that reminds me of cherry. So it's a cherry type of shade. It's something that will go well with cool tone clothes. Why do undertones matter? Bakit ba hindi na lang pare-pareho lang naman sila ng red lipstick? You have to look into the undertone of the red lipstick for you to match your whole look. That includes your skin tone, your skin shade, your clothes, your accessories, and your overall look. So if you're going for, let's say, navy blue, cool tone colored clothes, then you might want to match it with a cool toned red lipstick as well para one sila. This is also the kind of red, by the way, na may feminine touch. It's not an intimidating kind of red lipstick. It's something that brings out the feminine side of yours, and kumbaga may soft side siya even if it's red. Unicorn Blood. This is the last shade. It is a deep red. This is like a deep vampy kind of red shade, which I super love. This is also the shade na lagi ko naririnig sa kanya para, oh, I just launched Unicorn Blood and blah blah blah, Unicorn Blood. So I'm very much familiar with this shade, but I haven't tried this before, and so trying it for the first time, I love it. I am loving it. And I do have to commend, from the first shade down to the last, the formula is very consistent. I love it. Plus, amoy sarsi to. O, diba? Napaka-social sarsi talaga, hindi man lang root beer. Amoy cola, amoy root beer siya. But I wonder, bakit yung watermelon soda lang at saka unicorn blood yung may amoy? Parang, okay, parang, naisipan kong lagyan to ng amoy. Okay, next shade, wala ka muna. Next shade, wala ka rin muna. Next shade, okay, watermelon. Parang, ano ba yun? Part ba to ng special kit? Kaya meron siyang scent? Because the other ones, wala. Yun lang. I think yun lang yung inconsistency, but I'm not sure if that's because part ba ito ng special set? I'm not sure. Comment down below because I really don't follow everything about Jeffree Star. But I am somehow loving his products. I am, because I'm really surprised. I'm excited to try it out. Plus, by the way, mahirap siya tanggalin medyo. I mean, even with makeup remover, you have to go kind of back and forth. Kasi hindi siya like one swipe, tanggal na. No, you just have to really go through, break down the particles, and so you can finally, successfully remove it. Sa akin kasi, pagdating sa liquid lipsticks, I prefer those na nagsistay siya, transfer-proof siya, I mean, long-lasting siya, pero sana naman, nabubura naman siya, diba? Hindi yung sobrang kahit anong makeup remover na nagagamit mo, mahirap pa rin siya burahin. It's gonna really hurt your lips. And so, hindi ako fan ng talagang sobrang hirap tanggalin. I'm okay with kahit paano madaling burahin. Alam niyo yun? Basta maganda yung performance niya, maganda yung shade niya, tsaka maganda yung kapit niya sa bibig, and comfortable siya. This one, kahit na nafe-feel niyo na may product sa lips niyo, it doesn't feel like it's uncomfortable. It really just sits well and it doesn't break. Hindi siya nag-form ng lines. It's really, parang even if you're talking, hindi nag-break yung mga lines. That's amazing. That was surprising. I didn't expect na talagang magugustuhan ko yung liquid lipstick. I felt at first, and I have to be honest, at first talaga para ako, okay, it's like another liquid lipstick. But I have to say, it's different. The shades are on point. I'm loving this Unicorn Blood at saka yung Calabasas. Calabasas is something that you can wear every day, and this one is for special occasions or at nighttime, something sexy. I love them. Overall, I have to admit, I like it. And I do respect Jeffree's hustle. And because of the formulation, I mean, I admire him for making sure that his liquid lipsticks are performing of good quality. And if this is priced more than 1,000, I mean, yung deluxe size na to, I would get it. I would buy it because it's something worth the price. And good quality doesn't come off cheap. If you're asking kung paano nakarating ang Jeffree Star Cosmetics here in the Philippines, that's because of Freya. Freya is like Sephora, it's like Beauty Bar, and they brought Jeffree Star Cosmetics here in the Philippines. So they do have a physical store sa Glorieta, and they also have an online presence kung saan makakapag-shop kayo online. I'm gonna be placing the details on the description box below and kung magkano itong collection na ito if you're interested. But there you have it. You can visit it sa Glorieta. They just recently launched it. They recently opened the store. It looks nice. Plus, yung mga products pa nila, it's more of curated. Parang people from the community. So from Jeffree Star, there's one from Miranda Kerr. There's one from parang hindi siya like mainstream products. Parang indie products na from real people. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to get subscribed and notified to see more of my future videos. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Raiza Contawi. Let me know what you think about this video. And until then, I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!